HealthShake is a smart smoothie recipe app that allows you to generate smoothie recipes based on your nutritional desires, as well as share them and analyze them based on their nutritional content. In order to create a recipe by your nutritional desires, head on to Settings, input your sex and gender, and then choose the size of the smoothie you want to have. Next, choose your desired nutrients. Long press on an item in order to get more information about that nutrient. When you have chosen your desired nutrients, head on Next and choose a recipe template. Now the app will suggest ingredients to you that match your nutritional desires as well as possible. At the top there are different categories displayed. Scroll up on the different ingredients until it turns green and then go to the next one. You can at any time head over to View Chosen Ingredients, which will show you the different ingredients you've chosen, as well as how much of each of the ingredients contributes to your desired nutrients. Next, let's give this smoothie a name. And you are done. If you already have a recipe, you can simply save it to the app. So let's do that here. We're gonna save one with a pear, some cashews, and some strawberries. And let's name it Princess Smoothie. Now that you have your recipe, you can simply add an image. And then you can rate it and press on one of your ingredients to add them to your shopping cart. You can add a description as well. And if you want to have more information about your nutrients, you can press one of them and the percentages show you how much of the smoothie covers your daily nutritional requirements. Now in the end, you can press the share symbol in order to share to social media, and it will also be shared in the app itself. Now you can see that we have added cashews to our shopping cart. And if you go to your recipes, you can see that you have both the recipes in our recipes and in the shared community recipes, with which others then also can rate and see.